Just because of this, the wind alerts are an issue, and that's the first thing we'll talk about. Wind advisory goes into effect later this morning, stays in effect all day, and will be on the verge of still dealing with this into tomorrow morning, right around parade time. And that's because gusts could easily climb to 45 to 50 miles per hour in the short period of time. And just giving you a 36-hour scenario, these are the wind gusts from today, tonight, into Thanksgiving for tomorrow. Here's our wind advisory. So you could see we're right in that threshold, and then winds relax, still strong, but they will be lighter. Not quite in that advisory criteria, but you could see they'll tick up at some point in the morning. That's going to be during parade time. So just keep that in mind, too. When you have temperatures in the 30s with that type of wind, it's going to feel like the teens because it's going to be pushing that cold on you. So make sure you layer up for sure. Falling temperatures, windy and colder. That's really the theme for today. At some point late tonight into Thanksgiving, we will see some lake effect snow showers that will ignite. That stays with us into tomorrow as well as Black Friday. So it is going to be a winter-like feel that we'll have. Rain is on the radar for the moment, so we'll focus on the rain for this time being. So you'll see the showers rolling through. Temperatures are still in the 40s and 50s out ahead of this, but already look at Lansing and Jackson. They've dropped about 10 degrees within the last hour. That's the cold front that's going to bring about the change. So your forecast for today, for the schools that are in session today, rain for the bus stop. From there, winds pick up. Temperatures are going to crash. They may be in the 50s right now, but they will not be in the 50s for this afternoon, as we will be prepared for some of these snow showers rolling through that can cause some issues in some spots. From there, we'll focus on a storm that moves in. That'll be for the weekend. That can cause some travel disruptions, and even colder air sets up for next Monday.